Hey guys, it's Blair. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a video on how I took out those mini twists that I just recently filmed. So if you haven't watched that video, go back and watch that one first and see how you can get these amazing results. So stay tuned. So right here, I am just taking the bobby pins out that back section, and you see the front and the other sides are clipped up. Grab some oil just to coat your fingers so you don't create more frizz, and just start rubbing them on your twists. So right here, I just zoomed in just so y'all can see me work the oil all the way up to my roots. I used to untangle from the bottom, but I found out that it gave me more frizz in my ends. So now I'm just going to fast forward through that back section of me detangling it, but just remember that I am going slower. This video is just sped up just so y'all wouldn't be here all day watching me unravel these twists. Alright guys, so I had to back out, and you see I'm not even about to do I'm not about to go in them and start separating them. I'll show you why at the end, and I will tell you why I didn't do that. But look at that definition. It's real good. So this is just a close-up so you can see the shine and the bounciness of my twists. You can see they're not really hard or anything. They're nice and soft. They just look pretty good. And just twist them up to, y'all know I love my 4 sections, so just twist them up. You're not gonna mess them up. Don't be scared to twist it. And get it out the way. And then I just go and do the other side. Definition. Look at there, guys. Bam. All right. So once again, you see I did not separate them. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna come back some so y'all think I got gaps. So this is how it looks, without being stretched out. Next, y'all, is to blow dry it. Like I said, this is what I was talking about when I said I was gonna do it at the end. Stretch your roots out first. It helps decrease frizz, I promise. So you always want to focus at your root while you're doing it. Grab the curls at the end of your hand. That way that you're not stretching out your ends. Because all you really want to do is just stretch those roots out to give you less of a shrinkage type of situation. Look, y'all. It just makes it look come together. And if you have some big pieces that you can separate easily, and you should just feel it separate, then you just do that. Not gonna bother that one, but look. This is a look. Once again, I don't play the stragglies mess. Most times these stragglies are just damaged hair anyways. Not condoning you guys to cut your own hair, but I just do it myself because it looks better that way. All right, so I stretched it out. Y'all can see the definition. And like I said, this still isn't it. Like, okay, it's cute. Would I wear my hair like this? Yeah, but for the sake of you guys, I'm going to do what I would do if I was about to go somewhere. All right, guys. So now for the finishing touch, y'all, if you don't fluff your hair, that's lame. I love volume, guys. So we just gonna pick it out a little bit, okay? Be gentle, but we still gonna pick it out because it's gonna be first day hair. Start at the back and just do the roots. That's enough. Let's do the other side. Roots, roots, roots. And I like this kind of like pick the most because it really goes like into that hair and just scoops it up. So I like the top of my head being very heavy. What's going on? I'm having another bobby pin. But I like the top of my head heavy, so, but at the same time, just scope it towards how you like it. All right, the last finishing touch I like to do, this is, once again, Mielle's Edge Gel. For the record, I love Mielle. And main choice, if you have not noticed. I'll take some, just slap it right here. My old dingy brush, don't judge. Nice and slick. So thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate y'all got all the way down this far. Yeah, this is my favorite style to do. I love when my twist out is popping like this. Like, it just looks so good and it doesn't take long and I just really love it.